as promised with my September 2015 giveaway. And as I stated, it is all about box braids. Yes, the hair manufacturers continue to revolutionize crochet and latch hook braiding hair. First they gave us all the different types of Senegalese, and now they've introduced box braids for crochet and latch hook. Zuri, Bobby Boss, and Janet Collection are also coming out with their own box braids for crochet braids, but Freetress is about the first company to get them on the market, so I know a lot of you ladies are anxious to try them. Freetress box braids are made of high quality synthetic fiber that is developed to resemble the look and feel of human hair. They come in various colors. They come in large and medium, and they have that great loop end that makes installation so fast and easy. You no longer have to sit for hours in a chair getting your hair braided if you don't want to. So, YouTube, here's the 411. This giveaway consists of 7, count them, 7 packs of brand new Freetress box braid hair for crochet and latch hook, 3 packs of 1B large, 2 packs of 99J large, and 2 packs of TT30 medium. As always, super easy to enter this giveaway. The rules: subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below about why you want to try box braids, and please share this video on other forms of social media. This giveaway will close on September 26th. That's a Saturday. Winner announced the next day, September 27th, on Sunday. That's it, YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to share this video with family, friends. Enter now for a chance to win. Thanks again, and good luck.